Quantity surveying. Guidance to become a quantity surveyor. Quantity surveyors are responsible for calculating the budget and costs of a building project. Most importantly, the role combines managerial work with technical work into one highly skilled position. It's a highly responsible job and the salary reflects that, but employers are struggling to fill the demand. Despite being a centuries-old practice, quantity surveying is a relatively new discipline in academia in contrast to something like civil engineering. An advanced diploma in quantity surveying is a qualification which covers the fundamental knowledge on how to work as a quantity surveyor in the construction industry. The quantity surveyor profession is a prosperous career path all around the world. When you possess the knowledge, skills, qualification and experiences in the field for work, then you will have the opportunity to work in different parts of the world including the United Kingdom and the Middle East. The College of Contract Management's live online advanced diploma in quantity surveying is one of the first of its kind, making it a standout qualification on your CV. Contact us now. College of Contract Management, study what you love.